her sources on the ground in Wellington and Kunur. Akshaya, what more can you tell us? Manjeet, our colleague, confirming that Chief of Defence Staff is one of the passengers who was on board that helicopter. Any further information? It's a sensitive issue, but any further information about the condition of the occupants of the helicopter?
Well, Shiv, we are a team of reporters who report only sensitive information. So right now, let me just tell you the information that we have in hand is that Chief of Defence Staff Bipin Rawat was on board the helicopter which crashed in Kununur in Tamil Nadu, and at present 3 people have been seriously injured and they have been sent to the Wellington Kent hospital, and at the moment we are being told that 1 more personnel is being searched for, and the entire situation panned out because of the poor weather is what we are being told at this point of time, Shiv. Most importantly, we need to remember the Chief of Defence Staff, Bipin Rawat, was on board, is the confirmation that we have got from a colleague itself. So at the moment, it is a very sensitive situation and we're waiting for more information to come from official sources. But so far, we get to know that 3 people have been rescued and all of them are very seriously injured and have been sent to the Wellington Kent hospital, and that is also an army-based hospital there. So it is going to be something that we'll have to wait and watch, Shiv, but it is a very shocking information that is coming from Tamil Nadu at this point of time. Chief of Defence Staff, Bipin Rawat, was on board. There is no clarity on who are the 3 personnel who have been rescued so far. We've been told that the search operation for 1 more person is underway, and fingers are crossed, prayers are on, and all the hands are on the field right now to ensure that every person who was on board is brought out and best of treatment is given to them.
I just want to, Akshay, I want to through the images that your team has just sent us from the ground in Kunur. From the images that you can see on your screen, viewer, you can see that this was not a crash landing. It was a crash. The entire wreckage is on fire. I'm going to hazard a guess that this helicopter looks to me like a Mi-17, looks to me like an Indian Air Force Mi-17 helicopter, but I'm not going to be conclusive on that because that information is still coming in. You can see some locals who are on the ground, trying to manage the crash site. You can see a man with a bucket trying to put out some of those flames. This is a crash. This is a helicopter that has definitely crashed. It's not a crash landing. You can see the mangled mess of the metal, on the ground over there. The whole thing is on fire. So this is a helicopter that went down with a great degree of impact, and therefore it's not surprising that serious injuries are reported to have been inflicted on the persons on board. India Today's Manjeet Negi reporting that Chief of Defence Staff was also on board that helicopter. If you're wondering why the Chief of Defence Staff was in a helicopter in Wellington in Tamil Nadu, that is the site where the Army's Defence Services Staff College is. It's a tri-services military institution where officers go for their higher command courses. It's a very prestigious institution, and the Chief of Defence Staff is likely to have been visiting there, as senior officers often do. So 2 images on your screen right now, ladies and gentlemen, of the crash site in Kunur where this helicopter went down. It's a sensitive story. I'm going to be very careful, as we always are here on India Today, to only give you information that has been corroborated by our team on the ground. Now, there could be a variety of reasons why this helicopter actually went down. I'm not going to try and hazard a guess because there are many, many different complications that are possible for a helicopter to go down. But the Indian Air Force, the Indian Army have extremely qualified pilots. So this must have been some kind of catastrophic technical or mechanical failure or weather-related incident that has caused this very, very upsetting accident that involves security forces personnel, including the senior-most serving military officer in the country right now, the Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. Remember, he happens to be the first Chief of Defence Staff, and the images on your ground suggest that the injuries have been serious. They've apparently been shifted to a military hospital nearby. Wellington is a very well-equipped military establishment in the Tamil Nadu Nilgiri Hills where this incident has taken place, and we are awaiting word. We are awaiting word both from the Ministry of Defence as well as from Wellington on site, the police and other agencies on the ground, to give us a sense of what has happened. Please bear with us, viewer, because I can tell tell you that we will not jump the gun on any information. We will be as sensitive as possible because this is a story that has to be told as carefully as possible. It involves the senior most military official of the country. It involves security personnel. It involves a military asset, the Mi-17 helicopter that went down, and it involves, many other sensitivities surrounding this entire accident, especially when there are so many unknowns. I'm going to try and get our reporter back on the line. If we still have Akshay on the line. Okay, Akshay is still with me on the line. I'm going to try and get in Nagarjun, our other reporter. We also have Pramod and many of our other reporters, Ashish, all of them in the neighboring areas who are tracking the story very closely. And India Today has a team and a network of reporters on the ground who are getting you these images. And I promise you, we'll keep you updated on that. Akshay, what are your sources on the ground telling you? In these images, we can see some locals, trying to aid in the effort to put out the fire. Any specific information on where the injured personnel have been taken? And we are told that one person from inside the helicopter is still missing.
Well, Shiv, we've been told that 3 people were rescued from the burning debris, and all 3 of them are in very serious condition and have been taken to the Wellington Hospital. There is a base there. That is where they've been taken for treatment currently, is what we've been told by our sources. And one more person is there on board, and search operations are underway for the 4th person also, is what we're being told by our sources in the location. And well, you can see that this happened in the upper regions of Coonoor, and it is being told that the weather condition was not that great there and could have contributed for the kind of accident that has happened. These are the preliminary information that we are getting, Shiv. And from our confirmations, we've also been told that the chief of Amitabh, Bipin Rawat, was also there on the flight. But we need to know on what and who were all the people who have been rescued so far and what their condition is. The clarity on these information is still, very dicey, and we're being told that all necessary precautionary steps are being taken to ensure that everybody who is there on the boat, are rescued at this point in time. So we need to wait for more information. But at the moment, we know that 3 people who are in a very critical condition have been rescued from the debris.
The debris definitely suggests a crash of this helicopter. We have a confirmation now from our sources on the ground that this helicopter was flying between Coimbatore and Sulur. Coimbatore and Sulur are both cantonment towns. Sulur has a large Indian Army cantonment as well as a large Indian Air Force base. It's very close to the Nilgiri Hills where the Wellington Defence Services Staff College is. There are many different military establishments, ladies and gentlemen, in that area where the Chief of Defence Staff may have been travelling. We are told some of his family members may have also been on that helicopter along with him. This was an Indian Air Force Mi-17 helicopter. That's a confirmation that we have. I'm also going to tell our producers Mi-17